Hey guys, it's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to change your preferences and customize your newsfeed on Facebook. So you can actually see posts from people you want to and stop seeing posts from people or groups that you don't want to. And if you find this video helpful today, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos, and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So if we come across to facebook.com and go ahead and log into your account if you're not already, and what you need to do is come and click the arrow which says account up here in the top right hand corner, and then you want to come down to settings and privacy and give that a click. And what you need to do from here is click onto news feed preferences. So from here, there's a few options you've got available. So I'm just going to go through them with you. So the first one is manage favorites, and if we give that a click, sometimes it will take a minute to load through. So basically, manage favorites is where you can add people and pages to basically prioritize their posts in your newsfeed. So for example, what I can do is go through and star, so you've got these little stars. So basically if you click on the stars next to the person or the group, what's going to happen, that's going to add them to your favorites and their posts are going to get prioritized or come up higher in your newsfeed. I mean, some friends and pages, as it says here, they're already prioritized based on info. So things like if you've got things in common with people, they're more likely to come up on your newsfeed or things they liked. So you can actually do this for up to 30 friends and pages, and you can search in the search box here for a certain page or friends that you want to add. So for example, I can go to Digital Tutor and I don't know, just change it to pages or friends or whatever. And you know, if I add a Digital Tutor page on Facebook, it would come up here, and I could click the star next to them. The next one is unfollow, which is basically what you can do is unfollow certain pages or people or things like that to hide the posts from them, and you won't see any posts from them in your newsfeed. Only you'll know who you unfollowed. So if you unfollow someone, they're not going to get like a notification saying that you've unfollowed them. So that's basically to stop seeing posts from them completely. The next option you've got is reconnect, which is basically after unfollow, if you want to reconnect with them, they will come up here. And all you need to do is click the plus button next to their name, and that will allow them to reconnect, and you'll see their posts and pages and things like that come up in your newsfeed again. And then the last option you have is snooze settings, which is basically where you can snooze certain people or pages or groups, and what's going to happen is it's going to put them kind of like on a break, so for a certain amount of time you're not going to see their posts or anything come up in your newsfeed. So there's a couple of things. It's quite new to Facebook because Facebook actually had quite a lot of complaints in regards to what they were seeing on their newsfeed, and the fact that they didn't really make it easy enough to customize that. So this is how you basically do it now on a PC or laptop. And if you found that helpful today, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description below where you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.